But the good work. Right. Right.
Από η ζωή μας πέταξε στον δρόμο την άκρη μας αφήσει.
35 long years. That's how much time I've spent in Alcatraz Mining Co. I mean, they never appreciated me. Never really. I was given some promotions, of course. They call me now the technical director of the company. But the salary does not correspond to my actual brilliance. I only get 15,000 per month. Who can survive with 15,000 per month? Tell me one person. And my raises are only 10% per year. It's rubbish. My life has been reduced to drinking old wine and eating moldy cheese. Such a terrible fate to befall on anybody. I feel so alone here.
You will never be alone, my boss. I'm your humble servant.
Thank you, Lucius. I know it. I know it.
You're amazing.
I am.
You're wonderful.
I am. Yes, that's enough. That's enough. Stop touching me. I need something that will reignite the flame in my soul. Something that will let me fly high above the rooftop of this high-rise building.
It's brilliant.
It is. But what is it? Higher. The sky. Right? Right? Of course, it's a brilliant idea because I thought about it. Of course. Sky. I met a young lady years back. She was interested in drones. Maybe she's still interested in one. He says, go away.
Yes, Your Grace.
And keep up the good work. One day, you may inherit my position. One day.
Hello.
Hey, Deborah, my friend, how are you?
How are you? So good to hear from you.
Fantastic. It's been ages, right? I know. I was thinking something about drones, and I was wondering whether you're still working with them.
Of course, it's my specialty. I'm also developing some prototypes that I would like to test. What are you thinking?
Great. So, I have a business proposal for us. So, can we meet somewhere?
Yes, of course.
When?
Shall we meet like in the speaker's place, like Barunco?
Yeah.
Okay, I can meet you there in half an hour. Is it okay?
Perfect.
Awesome.
Suits me fine.
Bye-bye.
Fantastic. See you in a bit.
Bye.
30 minutes later.
Deborah, here you are.
So good to see you.
Last day.
How are you?
I'm doing good, you see. Life has been very difficult lately, but you are as beautiful as always.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Tell me, I was very interested about the idea you said before. What do you have in mind?
My proposal is for us to start our own startup with drones.
With drones, really?
Yes, your field of expertise.
Exactly. I mean, you know how much I admire you, your professionalism, you're trustworthy. I would love to work with you. I know for sure that I have the technical background, but there's something that makes me think that I'm not sure if we can make it, like
What? Financially. Don't worry about it.
Investment. I don't have the money.
I had an old project that gave me enough bank for me to support this startup.
And what about the clients? Where do you find them?
Don't worry about the clients. I have an ace up my sleeve.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will make everything work for us.
Look, I trust you, and if you say
Well,
so,
shoot.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
But before having our cheers to that,
Yes?
what about the name of the company?
Ah, I already thought of that. It's a fantastic one.
I want to hear it.
Flying donkeys.
Flying. Awesome.
Yes.
I like it.
Yes, I knew you
Drink
would.
to that.
To our success.
Yes.
You'll hear from me soon, yes?
Perfect. Talk to you later. Bye.
Take care. Bye. You!
Good morning, sir.
The board of directors have decided that we are going to directly assign a project for mapping our quarries. It will be to the company Flying Donkeys, and the cost will be 2 million. Process it.
I'm sorry, sir, but I cannot process it like this.
Why?
You see, there are procedures, there are protocols.
Why? What's wrong with the protocols? We have staff. We paid a lot of money for it.
Yes, the sub protocols requires that at least 3 contestants submit the proposals.
I don't care. Are you disobeying direct orders?
No, sir, by all means, but I will get in trouble if I process it like this. It's a matter of legal issue.
Fine. Look, about the 3 different contestants, don't worry about it, because this is the only company in the world that does it, okay? And we need them.
Okay.
And I'll get your damn proposal. But after I get it, you better process it. Otherwise, you'll have much bigger issues to worry about.
Thank you, sir.
Say hi to your family, John, yeah? I have to do everything myself in this company.
Hello?
Yes, Deborah, how are you? How are you?
Hey, what's up?
Listen, some bureaucratic blockhead here wants me to write some damn proposal for the project to go on.
Bureaucratic. What do you mean?
Yeah, in Alcatraz Mining. Why?
Trust mining. This is the company that you're working. What about our company?
Nah, it's fine. Well, I know a leeway around it.
But these are 2 different things. What do you mean? I'm a bit confused.
We will map the quarries. Okay, we will get the project. We will map the quarries. We will upload all the pictures on our website. Other customers will see that we have managed this project, and then boom,
Okay.
we will get traction.
I'm not sure exactly. I get it, but you know, I trust you, so I will write the proposal and
You
let
do
know
that.
if there's something
You
more
do
to
that.
do.
It's about mapping the quarry. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just make sure that our drones are equipped to do that. Cameras, everything. You know.
Okay. I will write what you need.
Fantastic. When?
Like in half an hour, I think you can have
Oh, fast.
it.
I knew I could depend on you.
Great. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
8 months later.
Michael, I need
Yes.
to talk to you.
Yes,
I'm
what happened?
frustrated. We're trying to reconcile the balances for the year end.
Yes.
And we found out there were an open balance outstanding for 8 months of 2 million to a company called Flying Donkeys.
Are you sure?
Yes, I have never heard about this company.
Okay, give me the evidence.
There's
Give me
no contract, nothing.
I
just
have to
a
go to the
draft
meeting. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my love.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work. Thank you. I done it.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Michael.
Stavros.
How are you?
Everything good?
Are you ready for the annual financial report? I can't wait to end this and go to the ski resort for the winter,
Yes. Actually, the financial year was very good,
as always.
except for one issue.
What issue?
Something about a drone company. There was a direct assignment to a supplier without any signatures, nothing. And there were also many other suppliers that would make this order, and the assignment was direct.
What is the name of the drone company?
Flying Donkeys.
Never heard of this company before. This is extremely important. What will the shareholders think?
This is a clear case of power abuse and conflict of interest.
Who ran this project?
I think it's Jim's department.
Always Jim. I'll call him. Hello, Jim. How are you? Please, can you come to the conference room as soon as possible? Thank you. Yes, I'll be here. Anna Maria, I will have a short talk with him, and then you take care of the resignation documents. Okay? I need to close this deal as soon as possible.
Hello, team. How are you?
Hello, Jim.
Hello,
What's
Jim.
the issue? What's this about?
The issue is the Flying Donkey project.
Yeah, what about it?
Jim, you have been working in this company for 30 years.
35.
Whatever. This is not how we do this work. It's not by the book.
You know I always have the company's best interest engraved inside me.
Yeah, but this is illegal.
And unethical.
How dare you put that evil on me! You know I always care for the company. And none of you have the right to judge me. Not you! Not you! And neither do you!
Anna Maria, please go to my office and get me all the cash that you find in the safe, please. Jim,
What?
let's agree that we disagree.
That is obvious.
We need to close this in good terms. On this day, you are relieved from your duties. Anna Maria, please give him the money.
How much is it?
More than you deserve.
Sod off, you pleb.
Okay, Jim is out of the picture, but we still need to cover this up.
We cannot hide it from the shareholders. As you understand, our stock price will fall. It's obvious, it's a fraud. We can't hide it.
Someone has to pay.
But who processed the order and the payments for this?
I think it was Christiana.
Poor Christiana. It is what it is.
That's my opinion, but that's me to lie. And beg for forgiveness for making you cry. Making you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. Oh, some people got the real problems. Some people out of luck. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. 'Cause I'm no prophet or Messiah. You should be looking somewhere higher. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me.
Yes.
Group hug!